Hello friends, I'm back with a Sindhi festive recipe today. We are going to make lolas, also known as Mithi Loli. So the month of Shravan is coming. We call it Sawan in Sindhi, and we have a lot of festivities like Gogro, Nandi Satain, Vadi Satain, also known as Sitla Satam. So we make these lolas on that day along with many other goodies. So let's go and make lolas. To make lolas, I have taken 5 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar and half cup of jaggery. This is organic jaggery, and ghee as needed, oil. I take both of them with the ratio of half and half because ghee makes them very heavy. Now take a small pan, put the sugar and jaggery into it. Add the equal quantity of water, that is 1.5 cups. Now with a spoon, keep stirring it. Though it is tedious, it takes a very long time, but you have to do it this way. If you make it hot, the lolas become very hard. What you could do is, if you are making Lola in the evening, soak this in the morning so that in between your other jobs you can keep stirring it, keep it covered, stir it little by little from time to time. This will make it easier. Make sure the sugar is completely dissolved. Now since this was organic jaggery, I added it straight away. If it is the normal jaggery, you have to remove the impurities, boil it in water, strain and then add. Now let's proceed to knead the dough. Make a well in between. Add oil and ghee. You may go ahead and add only ghee also, but that really makes the lolas very heavy to digest. So I prefer half and half. For 5 cups at least you need to add half a cup of moon. This quantity makes 5 lolas. So you can say that 1 cup of flour will make 1 medium-sized lolo. Keep mixing the flour very well until it resembles crumbs. This is the test to know that oil is sufficient. When you take some amount in your fist and press it, it should become a muthia, lumpy. So now the mixing is done. We will add the sugar syrup little by little and knead the dough. Don't add too much at a time. It's better to add spoonfuls and then keep kneading to get a perfect consistency. Or else you might end up getting softer dough and you need to add more flour. This way you can ensure that the dough is perfect, neither too soft nor too hard, just the right consistency, the way we need. The sugar and jaggery combination really makes perfect lolas. The taste is also very good, but if you wish to make them only with sugar or only with jaggery, you can also do that, but I prefer the combination. Now add little more and keep kneading until combines and comes up very well. Now the month of Shravan is coming and all the festivities are coming like Satain, Gogro. This is the time to make the Lola. So make Lola and all the goodies for Sawan, Satain and enjoy them. Now the dough is done. Cover it and set it aside to rest. When you want to make lolas, take a little portion, smoothen it well, give it a round shape and start rolling. Usually the thickness of the lolo should be around 1 centimeter, but again up to you, your preference. Some like them thin, some like them thick. I usually keep it around 1 centimeter. If the dough gets hard, then take out small amount of dough each time you roll out. Add little syrup, a spoonful of syrup, and knead it to make it soft. Then you can roll out the lolo. Now place a tawa on the gas. Let it become hot and then reduce the flame. Put the lolo on it. Flip the side after a little while. Make sure that the lolas are made on low temperature. Maintain the gas level on sim. In between you can increase it a bit, but then again bring it back to low. Then only the lolas come out perfectly. Spoon a little oil or ghee. Keep moving the lolo with the spatula so that it gets fried evenly. To get a perfect texture of the lolo, it's very important that you have to keep the lolo moving, flipping from time to time, and you have to do this very carefully. Then only you get a nice and crispy lolo. For this you need a very good spatula. Try to find a very large one. This will make your job easy for you. You must have noticed the big spatula that I am using. I got it specially for lolas. It's really very easy. Makes it easier to flip them. Keep adding a little bit of ghee in between also. Keep moving the lolo. Each lolo takes about 5 to 6 minutes. It has to be done on low flames so that it's crispy and nice. The texture has to be crispy on top but softer inside. Flip it carefully. While making lolas, you need to have lot of patience. See, it's getting fried very evenly by turning it few times. Keep spooning little bit of ghee each time you flip it. There's a lovely aroma of lolas in the kitchen. Perfect. This is the way a perfect lolo looks like. Lot of ghee goes into the lolas, but never mind, once in a way we can indulge. We can actually make chothas also from the same dough, but cut them into quarters. Cut the lolo, divide it into 4 triangles and fry them. Some people also like to add crushed black pepper and some cumin seeds in the chotha. Now the Lolo is almost done. Time to remove. Take it out in a dish. Immediately you put more ghee over it. Now some people like to put a lot of ghee in a thali and dip the lolas in them, but I don't like doing that, but I add quite a lot of ghee on top. That's quite sufficient. Now in the same way, continue making all the other lolas. Friends, hope you liked my recipe and are going to give it a try. I also have a detailed recipe on my website. I'm sharing the link below in the description box. Do check it out and make the lolas. And don't forget to share the feedback when you make them. I'll be glad to hear from you. So the second Lolo is also ready. It looks so inviting, isn't it? So friends, make the lolas and enjoy your Satain festival. Happy Satain to all of you. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more recipes. Friends, hope you are enjoying my videos. Do share the feedback. I'll be glad to hear from you. And please subscribe my channel if you have not done so. And also remember to press the bell icon to receive notifications whenever I post a new video. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. Thank you.